If you're running Windows and you're not backing up your data, you're putting yourself at risk. One failed update, corrupted file, or ransomware attack can wipe everything. Today I'm showing you MiniTool ShadowMaker, a backup tool that makes data protection simple. Right from the start, installation is fast. It's a one-click setup with no blow bar, no hidden options, and no forced sign-up. You download it, run the installer, and it's ready in under a minute. No unnecessary steps, just install and launch. MiniTool also offers paid plans, and they're actually cheap compared to most backup software. But the good part is you don't have to buy anything to test it. They offer a trial version with access to the core features. I was able to run a full backup, check the image file, and even simulate a restore without spending anything. Once you're in, setting up a backup is just as easy. I decided to back up my main CD, which is 120 gigabytes. ShadowMaker automatically detects all your drives and gives you the option to back up the full disk, specific partitions, or even just selected folders. I went with the full disk image of the CD. The process is smooth. You choose the source drive, pick your destination like a local disk, external drive, or network folder, and click Backup Now. It starts immediately. The interface is minimal and clean. You see progress in real time, and it doesn't slow down your system. Even while the 120 GB backup was running, I was able to keep working without any lag. Now I'm going to restore the backup I made earlier. It's just as straightforward as creating the backup. I open the Restore tab, select the backup image from the list, choose the destination drive, and click Restore. It kicks off right away. The interface shows the progress, the current transfer speed, and the estimated time remaining. No confusing options, no extra downloads, and no system restarts before you're ready. It's a direct, no-friction process that just works. One of the key advantages is flexibility. I'm not restricted to restoring on the same drive. I can choose a completely different drive and restore the image there, which makes this a full system cloning solution. So if I'm upgrading from a smaller SSD to a larger one, or moving to a faster drive, this feature lets me carry over my full setup without needing to reinstall anything. Once the restore finishes, the new drive boots exactly like the original. All apps, files, and system settings are in place and functional. Without any noticeable difference, it's a true one-to-one clone. Beyond backup and restore, MiniTool ShadowMaker includes several other useful tools. There's a sync feature that keeps selected folders mirrored between drives. It's faster than full imaging and is ideal for keeping frequently updated files like documents or project folders in sync across locations. You can set it to run manually, on a schedule, or automatically when changes are detected. It's quick and light on resources. Another feature is the Boot Menu Manager. It gives you full control over your system's startup configuration. You can add or remove boot entries, rename them, change the order, and set the default. This is useful if you dual boot or want to include the MiniTool recovery environment directly in your startup list. That way, even if Windows fails to load, you still have immediate access to your backups and recovery tools without needing a USB stick or external media. And again, you don't need to pay anything just to try it out. The free trial lets you test nearly all the essential features. You can go through the full backup and restore cycle and see if it fits your needs. If you decide to buy, the pricing is very reasonable. The yearly subscription gives a good discount, and the lifetime license gives the best value. Just one payment and you get lifetime access with free updates and no recurring fees. Until we meet again, this is Harbor of Tech, signing off.